Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the duration of a session on the Endel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to this section, this home page on the Endel application, and you should select either a scenario or a session that you would like to listen to. So tap on it, and as you can see at this opening page of the session, you have the ability to change the duration of your current session by tapping on this button in the middle of the screen. So you can select from these options ranging from 5 minutes to 120 minutes. So if you are done with selecting the one that suits your preferences, just simply tap on it, and now you are ready to start your session. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.